Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you the old hymn, Turn Your Eyes Upon Jesus. Michelle Parker requested this song, and if any of you would like to leave your song suggestions, all you got to do is put them in the comments section down below. Be sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. And now let's go ahead and get started with the lesson.
Oh soul, are you weary and troubled? No light in the darkness you see. There's light for a look at the Savior, and light more abundant and free. Turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look full in His wonderful face, and the things of earth will grow strangely dim in the light of His glory and grace.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website. All right, I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.